morning, ma'am. Ma'am, may we have your reaction po ng Office of the Vice President dun po sa trust ratings ni VP Sara in the recent SWS survey na nakakuha po siya ng 61%. And so far siya po yung pinagkakatiwalaan na highest official ng government po.
Oh, well, of course, if I know that, no, I'm not saying that this survey is real. I'm not saying that other surveys are not real. But getting a high rating of above 50%, of course, will make anyone happy, including the Vice President. So getting a 61% authentic survey will make anyone happy. So the Vice President welcomes this survey, and she intends to even continue working hard, or maybe work harder than she is working now, so that we can still increase that confidence rating.
Kasi ma'am, si VP Sara po, 61% ang trust rating niya. Ano po kayang gagawin ng gobyerno para man lang makadikit?
Ano po kami gagawin kundi magtrabaho? Magtatrabaho po kami na magtatrabaho at hindi po kami magbabakasyon hanggat sa kakayanin. Trabaho lang ng trabaho.
Thank you po.